Hello, hello. Cleanliness is good for health. Cleanliness is good for health. It's good to be knowledgeable, to have good understanding, and also to be wise. Cleanliness is good for health. So today I am here just sweeping the floor. I do this once in a while, just to make the place nice and livable. Because it's just cleanliness is good. Well, I have about I don't know eight, I think 8 or 10 minutes or something, and you're way younger than me. My name is SIMBA from Kenya, and I am almost 70, heading to 80 years, and I'm retired. I'm a retired teacher. I'm not like a multi-millionaire or anything like that. I'm just like a retired teacher. I taught a very simple school. Kind of like one of those used to be like almost like a less fortunate school and stuff like that. That's how I started, and the students turned out amazing. They became community leaders, and they became some accountants, some are doing various things in the society. And I started teaching when I was long time ago, and then I taught in high school. I was an English teacher in high school, and I taught drama and kind of like spiritual counseling and health and well-being and stuff like that. Then I taught culture, music, and heritage. Just the diversity of the importance of diversity of human beings and all that stuff. So cleanliness is good for health. So I like sharing educational material. It's good for this makes it easier to be a human being when you're living in a good environment. So my roommates are way younger than me. So they're in university, studying to be doctors, lawyers, and computer scientists. About 8 or 9 or 10 of them from very good families. Very good families. Amazing roommates. And so I tend to do most of the cleaning, and not all of it. One friend of mine called Will is my immediate roommate. He's amazing. He helps a lot, and the others help too. They say Will helps a lot. The others do that. You can see the house is clean. It's not a mess. So they clean up themselves. They are responsible. They're just busy and they're young, and they're doing whatever it is that young people need to do to build up themselves and their careers and their lives and all that. We all go through these stages in life, and that's what we learn from each other. I have been here in Halifax, Nova Scotia province of Canada, for over 25 years, and I worked in various places, teaching, healthcare, culture and heritage, teaching culture and heritage. We did contracts for the Halifax libraries, and for the hospital, Capital Health. It's called Nova Scotia Health, and various government organizations that used to invite us to do presentations there. We were not charging much. Like, for example, we did also for the Halifax Regional School Board, with all the various schools in Nova Scotia. They invited us to do presentations. Well, not all of them. I think all of them already. It's been a while, and they invited us to do presentations, and we were doing it very affordably. We were not doing it to be multimillionaires or anything. We're just sharing culture and heritage, and just so we used to charge just $1 per student. So if there were like 300 children, we'd get $300 for a presentation of that would take us like a whole day to do. And we were a team of about maybe 10, 15, or maybe I don't know how many people. So, and if 3 or 5 people went for a presentation, and we needed a vehicle and lunch and all that stuff. So by the time it was all done, we would be left with around probably maybe, I don't know, maybe $30 remaining. And so we would share that within the team, and each person, say there were 3 people, and each person would get $10 each. That's how we did it. It was just community service. We are not like I said, doing it to get rich or anything. We're just happy to share the culture and heritage. And we had different people from different cultural heritage backgrounds. We had Africans. My name is SIMBA in Halifax from Kenya. So there was a couple of people from Africa, a couple of people from Asia, from Aboriginal community, from European community, I think there was some people from the Middle East too that participated in our presentations. If not, we would source them from the audience, whatever audience there was, because Canada is a very multicultural country. So in the audience there would be these different people from all over the world, and we'd get them to participate and share their culture and food and heritage and this and that. It was a fascinating time. And anyways, so that's how it is. This is not my house. I just take good care of it, like I would my own mother's house or my house or whatever. I don't own any property. I don't own any. Like I said, I don't do things to be a multimillionaire or anything like that. I just do things to do good in humanity, whatever good I can do, whatever little I can do out there. So that's what I do. And everyone has their own thing. This is how I was raised by my parents, and this is how I like to do. Hello, Max.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Good.
Yeah. This is. I hear you're moving.
Huh?
I hear you're moving. You got a new place?
Yeah, we're in a new place.
All right. Thank you so much. That's a good thing. Blessings to you and your family. You worked very hard for it. You just work every day, working hard. All the best to you and your family. I hope things work out for you.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah. And thank you for cooking for us and just being a good person. Just like your mom raised you and your parents and everybody. All the best to you and your family my friend. It's nice to see a young person that's like making progress and improving life. Don't mind me, I'm just sweeping.
Yeah, man.
It's just good to cleanliness is good.
Yeah, but the house is gonna be it's still dirty.
Yeah.
Even if you clean it, it's
Yeah.
it's gonna be always dirty.
Yeah, it is. Just maintaining it. Same as you would your parents would do that in your home, or your home would be clean one. Go ahead. No, don't worry about me. Even a hotel or a restaurant, any place is kept clean. It's good for health. Have a good day, anyways.
Have a good day.
And this is how I do my things. Everyone just see things different. So, just cleaning here. So, I don't own the house. It's not my house. It belongs to a Chinese landlord, and I just do my part in keeping it clean and motivating the young people that live here, because I would do the same thing if it was my own children or my own family living in the house. I try to be friendly and cheerful and kind and just motivate them, encourage them. And I know what it is to be a young person. I know what it is to be new. Gentleman Max is new here, and he's just been here 3 months, or 4 months, or 5 months, and he's improving his life very quickly. He's now moving to a new place, and for him and his girlfriend and all that stuff. So I'm happy about it. It's a beautiful thing. It's a good thing. It's good to be happy about the good things that people do, and also just share the blessings with each other. So hopefully we can just be good human beings in some way. I think be good human beings, whichever way possible. I think, this is how I think. That's how my perspective of life. Everyone has their own perspective of life. This is just how my perspective of life. And I don't know. Everyone can do their things the way they want. And so it is 3, 4, 5 minutes. So let's put this over. The floor is clean, and that's done. So pretty easy, really. 8 of us. If one person did it once a week, that would be like easy. But just depends on how whoever owns the house wants to schedule duties and responsibilities, or the people that live here. They are all grown up, so they can figure out how to schedule the rest, whatever responsibility themselves. They don't. The landlord doesn't have to tell them that. They figure out their own schedules, their own lives, and their clean up, or so it's the grown-ups can figure out that for ourselves, and but it depends on each one how each one wants to practice their own sense of being either a good human being or a responsible person or not. I think this is not my house. Like I said, it belongs to a Chinese landlord, and I don't own property. Maybe I will if as my children are still young, and as they grow up and come to go to university and stuff, then I may invest. Especially if my mom is going to come here and visit. She's in Kenya, she's in her 90s. Her name is Mary. She's in her 90s, almost 100, going towards 100. So if she's going to come here and visit, then maybe I may decide to invest in a property so that she can be comfortable or whatever. Or my kids can have a comfortable place and stuff like that. But at the moment, they're still young, so I live a simple life, and I just rent a small room, and not interested in power, money, politics, greed, corruption, racism, and other things like that. I just live, just interested in, instead of that, I'm interested in just being a good human being and living a good life, and just a very simple lifestyle, and just being around good people with good energy and that care about what it is to be a good human being. And it's fantastic. Look at the weather here. It's fantastic outside, snowing, and it's beautiful outside. See, life is good. Season is changing. It's changing from winter to spring now, and you can see that my name is SIMBA here in Halifax from Kenya, and I just done the cleaning, so so in just 15 minutes. So we've just been able to sweep almost the whole house and just take it easy. If snowflakes are coming down, if each one of us was beautiful like the snowflake, or like a drop of water, or like just like a breeze, like a gentle lovely breeze, or like a little bird, or like a leaf, life would be so amazing. See, the trees don't have much leaves now, and soon it's going to be spring, and they're blowing in the wind. See the trees right here, the trees are blowing in the, just like branches are blowing in the wind. If you look closely, you'll see the birds are starting to form up there in the edges, the edges, and because it's starting to warm up into what is spring season, and the snow is melting. You can see right there, it's starting to melt on the roofs, and even on the ground. You can see right there, it's starting to melt on the ground where the vehicles are on the road. There's not much snow. It just melts very quickly, and but I don't know if you can see the snowflakes. They're coming. Let me see, put it here. See, you can see snowflakes. See the ones shiny stuff, those are snowflakes. It's not easy to see with this, it's too bright out there, but you can see here, you can see the snowflakes right here. See, if I zoom out, you see they look, you can see them there because they're so tiny, see, but they're there. So it's the same way with human life.